Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So here is a different style of sculpture. I will be rolling the foil to make her legs part, like she's folding and sitting and her dress is covering her legs. In this way I'm making it. I'm not making the legs shape prominent actually. So I fold little bit of foil and I pressed it down so it will be easy to sit, to make her sit as well. Then the upper part I will be twisting little bit to make the foundation, the basic part for her waist. And here it will be almost the same procedure I was doing in my previous videos, just the difference is the sitting part for her legs. Then here I took some thick pieces of cardboard which I will cut it into the shape of her legs part to stick it under the foil. And then here I have wire which I will be using to make her neck and head. And if you want you can on the legs part you can take a round shape of stone, oval shape, and then you can roll the foil around it. But anyway it will be heavy when I will be using cement on this doll. But if you don't want to use cement, you want to just work with simple paper and those things, you can use the stone parts to make her heavy enough to make her sit easily so she don't fall behind or sides. So on this foil part of legs you can put the stone, then you can roll the foil around it. So here on this part, the backward, I will be taking some more foil to make her back shape, the curvy shape for her body. I found it a little bit awkward from this side, so I decided to put the foil. Then I will be covering the foil with the masking tape and the paper tape, so I can use the cement on top of this. It will be easy to grip. Here you can see, and then I am twisting her waist little bit in this shape. You can see it easily how I did it, like she's turning herself to our side or the or another side instead of looking the straight. So here you can see the shape now clearly, and I have covered it with the foil. Now I am taking the other parts of pieces of foil to make her head, to stick it around the wire I inserted before. And then here are the arms with foil, and I have covered them also with the masking tape. Then I will be sticking them with the hot glue on her shoulders. This is the same procedure in my previous videos. And then I will be giving it shape, like one arm she is with one arm she is holding the vase, the pot for water or whatever, and the other arm she's keeping it on her legs. So yeah. And then here I have made thick paste of cement, which I will be covering her all body with this cement. If you want, you can use the plaster of Paris, or you can use just newspaper with white glue and water mixture to cover her body. That's fine as well. And after using the cement, it became quite heavy because I used more cement on her legs part while she's sitting part, the position, so it can be heavy enough to hold the body. And I enjoyed working this time with cement. I used different tools to make her body smooth. Then I started to smooth her body, and I started to cover more of her body parts by using my hands instead of brush. And then here you can see this tool. I took it. I bought these tools for my other work as well, and for these one. And then you can see here how it's making it smooth. I was really enjoying this part because it was much more helping me with instead of using the brush. And I didn't use much sandpaper to scrub her body to remove the rough and sharp edges of cement. So this tool was quite helpful for me, and it gave a nice shape for her body as well. I made her shoulders bone, back side of bones as well with this one by using more parts of cement on the prominent parts of the body. Here you can see I added more parts of cement, thick paste, to make her back sides of her shoulders bone as well. So after it got dry, I took the sandpaper and I started to smooth and remove the rough edges of the cement. I didn't need to scrub it too much because it was already smooth because of that tool I was using to make it surface easy and smooth. But only for arms I needed to sand the arms more because they were a little bit hard and they were having rough edges. But here you can see how it is smooth now. And then here I'm taking brown acrylic paint to cover her all body with this paint to make her skin color, but you can use the black color or any other colors of your choice you like. Then I took sky blue. It's not actually sky blue, it's blue color acrylic paint to make her dress. Here I didn't use the fabric because I wanted to make her figure more prominent. Here you can see, but for her blouse I used the same color of fabric, and then I will be sticking it uh, on her back by using the hot glue. Then again with the same color of fabric I'm making a small turban for her. If you want you can make the hairs as well. And here on this sculpture I didn't make the face features because I like them without face features. Instead of making the details for the face, I feel them more artistic when they are without those things, without features. Now here I'm using golden and some more different colors acrylic paints to make the design, the prints for her dress, and you can use any style or design and colors of your choice. I actually forgot to make her ears, so here I took clay and I applied some white glue on her face. Then I will be sticking this clay ears on both sides. Then I will be coloring them with the same brown acrylic paint. And here I have a small clay pot. You can use any color of your choice, which I will be sticking it with hot glue on top of her head. Then I will stick the hand behind the pot like she is holding it. And then here I have small tiny beads of wire of beads, which I will be making it for her necklace. You can use jewelry more if you want, but I was fine like this just to make it prominent for her neck. Then with the golden acrylic paint I made the small earrings also for her ears, and then I'm making the bangles as well with the same golden acrylic paint. So now here I'm using transparent spray to make her body looks like more shiny and glossy. Here you can see the difference. It gave it more beauty and unique looks. So I hope you like the tutorial this time. It's a little bit different instead of using the bottles and those things. I am loving it totally, and then I am going to make some more sculptures. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel, click on bell notification so you get the notifications about my latest videos. Stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.